Hello, my dear friends. This is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel, Shivani Creations. Today, I am showing you how to create this beautiful musical piano pop-up card with these lovely handmade flowers. Are they looking gorgeous? I am loving it. And inside the card, you will get this beautiful pop-up piano. So, this card is basically to all music lovers. So, without any delay, let's get started. For this, we need embossing pad, groove golf tool, ball tool, red color ink, sponge dauber, golden small pearls, liquid glue, pencil, ruler, paper cutter, off-white sheet, black sheet, pattern paper. I have this musical notes embossing paper, so I will use this to decorate my card, and scissors. First I'm taking this off-white color base sheet which is having 220 GSM thickness, and this card measures 30 by 18.5 centimeters. Here I have marked in the center that is on 15 centimeters, and now just position your ruler on 1 centimeter exactly on this 15 centimeter line and mark on 0 and 6 centimeters. So this space should be 1 centimeter and this is 5 centimeters. Now I will just create a line on this markings. Now just rotate your card, and from left side I am marking on 4 centimeters, 5.5 centimeters, 7, 8.5, 10, 11.5, 13 and 14.5 centimeters. Now I am just creating lines on these markings. Then I am just removing by erasing excess lines. Also I am removing the center line on top of this piano marking. Then from bottom I am marking on 1 centimeters. Create a line. So your basic template for piano is ready. Now I am taking my ball tool and I will crease all horizontal lines. Then I am taking my paper cutter and I will cut this first and last line. Like this. Now I will just pop my card. So do it very carefully and slowly. So the card is ready. Now we will decorate it. Now here I am just creating lines using my black pen for the white color keys. And now I am proceeding with the black keys. For this I am taking this black color strip which measures 11 by 1 centimeters, and from left side I have creased on 1 centimeters, 5 centimeter, 6 and 10 centimeters. Now fold all the creases and just connect the first and last fold with each other to construct the black key. In the same way we need total 5 black keys. Now take back your card and I will start adding my black keys on top of white keys. So just add glue on this side and in the bottom. And connect like this. In the same way I will add remaining keys in this way. So after adding all 5 keys, our card is ready. Now it's time to cover this card using the base card. For this I am taking this black color sheet which is little larger than this, and I am just connecting my pop-up card with the base. Like this. Now I am taking this musical notes embossing sheet which I have embossed using my embossing folder. If you don't have this, you can just use any kind of pattern paper which you have. And now I am just adding this polka dot pattern paper which I cut on the piano cover shape. Before that I am adding this white color strip in the bottom so that we can decorate the outer layer also as a piano. So this is done. Now take your ruler and pencil, and on this white line from left side I am marking on 1.5 centimeter interval. Now create some black color lines on these markings. Then I will add some black color small strips just to create a piano look. In this way, complete it till the end. So it's done. Now I'm just decorating it using some punched border. In the same way, I have decorated the card using punch border from top and bottom. And now I am just creating some musical notes using my black pen. Like this. Now I will start with flower making. So here I am taking this 2 by 2 centimeter white color sheet which is having 120 GSM thickness, and I am just dividing this paper in 4 parts towards the center. So we have 4 parts now, and I will cut each part as a petal. So I am just shaping each petal like this. And our 4 petal flower is ready. In the same way, I have prepared these 2 petals. The bigger one is having 4 by 4 centimeter and the smaller one is having 3 by 3 centimeter paper. Now I am taking this red color Archival ink and just coloring both the flowers from center. Just sprinkling little water and soaking it using tissue paper. Now take both the flowers on embossing pad, and from back side of the flower using groove golf tool I am making some texture on each petal. Just rotate the flower and pinch in the center using ball tool. Now I am connecting both the layers and adding golden color micro bead pearls in the center. So flower is ready. In the same way I have created some more flowers. Now take back your card and I will start decorating it. So first here I am adding this die cut sentiment, says sending hugs. If you don't have these kind of die cuts, you can just write any sentiment on paper and connect in left corner. Then I have this paper doily. I'm just dividing it in half and connecting with the base like this. And then I will add my flowers and some leaf cutouts. like this. So the beautiful musical piano pop-up card with handmade flowers is ready. Isn't it looking very pretty? Here I have added some glass beads here and there just to give a water drop effect. And inside the card you can write any message. So my project is done for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and please click on bell icon for the latest updates and notifications. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.